What if I told you that just a simple leaf, something you might already have in your kitchen, has the power to flush out excess fluid, restore your blood circulation, and lighten your entire body while you sleep? No prescriptions. No chemicals. No side effects. Just nature doing its magic. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the nighttime strategy that thousands are using to reduce swelling in their legs, ankles, and even their face, all starting within the first 12 hours. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal the name of this powerful leaf that holds the secret to healing while you sleep. So don't skip a second, or you'll miss the key that brings all the benefits together. Let's begin this journey toward lighter legs, better sleep, and total body relief. Why edema happens at night, and how to fix it while you sleep. Before we jump into the foods and herbs that can change your nights forever, let's quickly understand why so many people wake up with puffiness, swelling, or heaviness in their legs and feet. During the day, gravity pulls fluids toward your lower extremities. If your circulation isn't strong, or if your lymphatic system isn't draining properly, this fluid builds up, causing edema. At night, while lying down, your body has a window of opportunity to redistribute these fluids, but only if it has the right support. This is where the healing begins. Let's uncover the top natural strategies and foods that, when added to your nighttime routine, can transform how your body functions while you sleep. Number 15. Nighttime herbal teas that unlock circulation. Chamomile and fennel tea. These are not just calming drinks, they're circulation-boosting warriors. Chamomile helps dilate blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Fennel, meanwhile, supports digestion, which is critical for optimal blood flow. When your digestive system isn't bloated or backed up, there's less pressure on your veins. That means better blood flow from your feet to your heart, especially while lying down. Pro tip: drink a warm cup of either tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed to relax your vessels and your nervous system. Number 14. Oatmeal. A gentle, circulation-enhancing superfood. Oatmeal is far more than a breakfast option. Eaten in the evening, it delivers magnesium, beta-glucans, and antioxidants that soothe your arteries and stabilize blood sugar. Why is this important? Because stable blood sugar means better hormonal balance, less inflammation, and improved vascular tone. Add sliced bananas, chia seeds, or a touch of cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory power. Number 13. Avocado. The bedtime heart helper. Avocado offers healthy fats and minerals like potassium and magnesium that relax the blood vessels and support deeper sleep. These fats also help your body produce anti-inflammatory compounds overnight. A small portion of avocado with dinner can reduce fluid retention and improve morning energy levels. Number 12. Purple grapes. Nature's vascular shield. Purple grapes are rich in resveratrol, a compound known for protecting the inner lining of blood vessels. Consuming grapes or unsweetened grape juice in the evening supports microcirculation, helping blood reach the tiniest vessels in your hands, feet, and even skin. Regular grape consumption also supports detoxification, key for reducing fluid buildup. Number 11. Carrots. Raw or cooked, they oxygenate your body. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A that strengthens cells, supports your liver, and promotes tissue oxygenation. They also stimulate collagen production, keeping blood vessels elastic and strong. Add grated carrots to evening salads or blend into juice for a nighttime boost. Number 10. Coconut water. Electrolyte harmony in a glass. A glass of coconut water in the late afternoon helps flush out sodium and restore your body's fluid balance. High in potassium and magnesium, it supports kidney function and reduces the likelihood of waking up with swollen feet or legs. Be sure to choose fresh, unsweetened coconut water for the best effect. Number 9. Purple onion. Your capillary's best friend. Raw or lightly cooked, purple onion contains quercetin and sulfur compounds that combat inflammation, dissolve clots, and open up capillaries. Regular consumption supports clearer skin, fewer spider veins, and better nutrient delivery to extremities, all while you sleep. Pro tip: add thin slices of purple onion to your salads or sauté with olive oil for dinner. Number 8. Horsetail plus lemon tea. The ultimate night detox. Horsetail tea is a natural diuretic, pushing toxins out through the kidneys and reducing fluid retention. Add a squeeze of lemon, and you'll amplify its cleansing and anti-inflammatory properties. Drink this herbal tea 1 hour before bed to reduce swelling and support lymphatic drainage while you rest. Number 7. Kale juice. Green power for your blood vessels. Juicing raw kale with cucumber, lemon, and ginger creates a detox elixir that energizes your bloodstream. Kale is rich in chlorophyll, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential for blood vessel health and clot prevention. Kale also assists in liver detox, which is essential for reducing systemic inflammation that causes fluid buildup. Number 6. Brazil nuts. A selenium powerhouse. Just one Brazil nut provides your daily dose of selenium, a mineral that protects blood vessels from oxidative damage and improves their flexibility. Combine with a small evening snack to prevent swelling and support vein health overnight. Avoid eating too many, as selenium is potent even in small doses. Number 5. Pineapple. The anti-swelling dessert pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with strong anti-inflammatory powers. Eating fresh pineapple after dinner helps reduce tissue swelling, especially around joints and the lower body. It also improves digestion and reduces bloating, helping improve venous return while lying down. Number 4. Cucumber. Your body's internal coolant. Cucumber is made of over 90% water, and its diuretic effect is gentle yet powerful. Cucumber balances electrolytes and provides silica, a mineral that strengthens connective tissue and blood vessel walls. Add slices to your salad or blend with mint and lemon for a refreshing, circulation-friendly drink. Number 3. Ripe banana. Sweet relief for your veins. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, both of which reduce sodium-related water retention. They also promote muscle relaxation and improve sleep quality. A banana before bed can help ease leg cramps, improve blood flow, and reduce morning puffiness. Number 2. Garlic. A circulation supercharger. Garlic's natural sulfur compounds help lower blood pressure, dissolve clots, and widen blood vessels. For best results, crush a raw clove, let it rest for 10 minutes, then eat with honey or olive oil. Garlic works while you sleep to detoxify, boost immunity, and strengthen the cardiovascular system. A nightly dose can bring huge benefits. Now, the secret you've been waiting for. Number 1. Bay leaf. The overlooked nighttime circulatory miracle. This might surprise you, but bay leaf, that humble herb used in soups and stews, is a powerful vascular tonic when prepared correctly. When steeped in hot water and consumed before bed, bay leaf works like a detox infusion. It reduces bloating, calms the nervous system, stimulates lymphatic drainage, and fights capillary inflammation. Bay leaf acts silently while you rest, but the effects are profound. By morning, you may feel lighter, less bloated, and more energetic. Make it a nightly ritual, and your vascular health may transform in just a matter of weeks. The best part of everything you've learned today? These remedies are completely natural. No side effects, no artificial ingredients, just what nature designed for your body to heal while you sleep. If you're tired of waking up feeling puffy, heavy, or worn out, these simple changes may be all you need. Just remember, consistency is key. Pick 2 or 3 of these methods and apply them tonight. Then build from there. And of course, don't forget the secret weapon, bay leaf tea, as your ultimate circulatory night booster. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. This channel exists to help you live healthier, naturally. Now, if you're ready to take your healing even deeper, check out the next video on your screen. There, you'll discover a simple drink that melts belly fat, improves your heart health, and even helps manage blood sugar. Click it now, and I'll see you there.